Hello, I'm Chef Juriaan Snellen, the Executive Corporate Chef at McCormick Canada, and I'd like to welcome you to the Club House Kitchen. And today, we're looking at how Club House Smoked Paprika can be the key to your kitchen. Club House Smoked Paprika is made from smoking and drying sweet peppers to produce a paprika with a distinctive flavor. It adds delicious depth to Spanish dishes like paella, as well as meats, potatoes, sauces, and stews. To show you just a few amazing ways I use smoked paprika, I'll be creating a traditional shakshouka with a side of smoked paprika aioli and smoked paprika marinated olives that act as the perfect partners to this dish. We'll begin the shakshouka by sauteing some veggies and adding in the smoked paprika to get the flavors going. We'll also add in some tomatoes and chickpeas. And now we crack a few eggs on top. Here's our shakshouka. It smells amazing and looks great. Now I'm going to take some aioli and add some smoked paprika and mix that up. And now we'll toss these olives in a bit of smoked paprika. Et voila, we have our meal. I am going to enjoy this delicious meal, and you can too. For more information and recipe inspiration, visit clubhouseforchefs.ca. Contact your local McCormick rep to order your Club House products today.